Guys, Mike at Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today with a 2007 BMW 535xi, all-wheel drive with a drivability issue. Our man Drew has got the component that has failed on the bench. Let's go over and say hi.
Hi guys. As Mike said, BMW xDrive. xDrive is all-wheel drive. These things have transfer cases. Now, in these transfer cases, long story short, this issue ended up happening on the highway. 4x4 light came on, ABS light came on, VSC, traction control. Numerous codes, all related to transfer case. Now, in a long story short, there's two types of transfer cases on these. This is the helical gear type transfer case, and there's also chain drive, but on this one here, this has got a drum, clutch packs, needle bearings in here, excessive wear. These are the tension arms that help engage these clutch packs and that, and these are the cams. Now this has got a run of teeth on this gear, on the cams. They are supposed to be on this side because of the excess of wear in the drums. These tension arms open up too far, which ends up skipping these cams across to the other side. Like I said, these things only hold about ½ liter of fluid. Over time, viscosity, thermal breakdown, it all starts to vaporize. It comes out the vent, get a little bit of weeping and all that, but preventative maintenance, transfer case services are a lot cheaper than what this whole repair is to this customer in this vehicle here. In turn as well, shift motor, they wear. The worm gear on this drive is quite worn. It's not supposed to be conical, it's supposed to be fully cylindrical on there. Heavier teeth. We're going to be installing a new shift motor. With this repairs, we have a used transfer case. It is in good condition, nice tension on the tension rods, so no issues at this time, and we'll be installing fresh fluid with this, resetting all the systems, recalibrating the shift motor, and they'll be good to go for a while.
So there you have it, folks. If you've got a BMW, Mercedes, Cadillac, Subaru that has an all-wheel drive system that you're looking to have the transfer case service completed, differential service, fluid exchange, we can do it here at Urban Automotive. Please hit subscribe and like to this video, and feel free to contact us directly to book your appointment. Urban Automotive, safety first.